Okay, read this question carefully and attempt all these 4 parts, and they're really easy. Okay, and after 4 minutes, I will ask you. I'm just writing here the summary that in most of the questions, the first step is always to find the moles of something. Okay, so you have to find the moles in most of the questions. So if it is, you have to see the equation. In the equation, the state symbols will be written. So if the substance for which you have to find out the moles, if it is solid or liquid, then you will use the formula moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, this formula you will use if the substance is solid or liquid. If the substance is gas, then you will use the formula moles is equal to volume divided by molar volume, which is 24. Okay, so please keep this thing in mind. And if the substance is aqueous, okay, like here in this question, you have to find out the moles of HCl, and HCl is aqueous. Okay, so if the substance is aqueous, then you will use the formula moles is equal to volume multiplied by concentration. Okay, so please learn these three formulas of moles, and like you have to use the formulas very like very frequently. If not these formulas, then you have to take the ratio. Which paper do you have today?
Geography.
Okay. Yes, is first part done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer of the first part?
0.025.
0.025. Very good. Which formula you used?
Moles equals
Concentration
to
ratio.
concentration into volume.
Very good. Concentration into volume. The concentration is
0.500.
0.5. Okay, and the volume is
0.05.
50.
0.05. You have to convert the centimeter into decimeter.
Yes.
Okay, by divided by 1000. So always convert centimeter into decimeter. So divide by dividing by 1000, then the volume can come out to be 0.05. Okay, so when you multiply, it's 0.025. Good. Okay, then what about the second part?
We take out the ratio. 2:1.
Yes, we will take the ratio between the two substances. One substance is for which we know the moles. We have calculated the moles in first step, and the second substance is for which we have to find out the moles. Okay, so between these two things, you have to take the ratio. Here it's HCl and carbon dioxide. HCl is, according to the equation, HCl has 2 moles and carbon dioxide 1 mole. So 2 moles are giving half carbon dioxide. So 0.025 will give how much?
0.0125.
Very good. 0.0125. 0.0125. Okay. Part C. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide made in this reaction.
Uh, Mass into RFM.
Ma'am, moles time molar volume.
Yes, moles time molar volume. So the formula is moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, substitute the value. The moles of carbon dioxide are 0.0125 is equal to mass you have to find out divided by what's the molar mass?
44.
44.
Carbon dioxide molar mass is 44. So it's like 12 of carbon plus 16 oxygen multiplied by 2. Okay, so 12 plus 32, it's 44. So 44 is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Okay, so when you multiply, what answer you will get?
0.55.
0.55 grams. Good. Okay, now calculate the volume in decimetric cube of carbon dioxide made in this reaction. Carbon dioxide, remember, carbon dioxide is a gas.
And we'll do moles multiplied by 24.
Moles multiplied by 24. Very good. Very good. The formula is moles is equal to volume divided by molar volume. Okay. Moles of carbon dioxide 0.0125 is equal to volume we have to find, divide by 24. So the answer is, when we take it on this side, we'll multiply.
0.3.
Are you all getting 0.3?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm getting 0.4.
0.4. Why? Wait. Let
Ma'am,
me
it is
calculate.
0.3.
0.0125 multiplied by 24. Yeah, it's 0.3. Please check again, beta. Calculate again.
Okay, ma'am, 1 second.
0.3.
Yeah, 0.3. This question is really easy. It's of 6
Yeah,
marks,
ma'am,
okay?
sorry, it was 0.3. I changed the figure of multiplying.
Okay. No worries. Okay, next question. From same October, November 2014, paper 42. Okay, this question is the same. Okay. Chlorine can be made in the laboratory by heating manganese oxide with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Calculate the volume of, calculate the volume of 8 mole per decimeter cube HCl. Okay, needed to react with 3.48 grams of manganese oxide. So manganese oxide mass is given 3.48, and for HCl concentration is given, which is 8 moles per decimeter cube, and you have to find the volume of HCl. Okay, so in third step, volume of HCl needed in the, so for the to find the volume of HCl, you have to do the first 2 steps also. 3. Okay, so please try to do this question by yourself. I'm not explaining. Okay, see everything manganese oxide, it's see the state symbol, and according to the solid liquid gas, use the formula. In step number 2, again take the ratio. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Please test yourself, because as it is the last practice class, so please be careful, and if you have any question you can ask. Next chapter is about electrolysis. Do you know electrolysis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Good. I love electrolysis actually. I love the bonding chapter Bonding and electrolysis. These both are my favorite topics. Bonding and electrolysis. I don't know why, but I love them.
Ma'am, I've done.
Okay, good. If you've done, raise your hand. And everyone, please, if you finished doing this question, raise your hand so that I can know that who is attempted and who attempting and who has finished. This question is same like above. And remember, in a volume of HCl, in the end, you have to give the answer in centimeter cube. Okay? It's written so tiny, centimeter cube. So don't give answer in decimeter cube. Okay? Convert it into centimeter. Only one hand is raised till now. Come on, boys. Wake up. Still sleeping? Okay, Abdullah Subhan done. Good. Fast, everyone. You have only 2 minutes left. I will ask from Huzaifa because I like his DP. Boys, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Abdullah Subhan, tell me the first step, beta. Moles of manganese oxide used.
Ma'am, 0.04.
Let me check the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 0.04.
Where is it? Okay, yeah, it's 0.04. Tell me the formula you used.
Moles equal mass over molar mass.
Yes, because manganese oxide is a solid and mass is given. So we use mass divided by molar mass. Mass is 3.48 and the molar mass of manganese oxide?
87.
87.
Very good. And the answer is 0.04. Okay, manganese RAM is 55 and oxygen is 16. Okay, manganese oxide 55 plus oxygen is 16 into 2. Okay, so the answer is 87.
87.
Okay, the molar mass. Okay, now moles of HCl needed.
0.16.
Yes, ma'am.
0.16. Yeah, 0.16. We will take the ratio between
Mn of
Manganese oxide
manganese
and
oxide and HCl.
HCl.
very good. Manganese oxide is
1:4.
1 ratio of 4.
4.
yes. So one manganese oxide is reacting with 4 HCl. So 0.04 manganese will react with 4 times.
0.16.
Yes, 0.16. Okay. Now the volume of HCl needed.
20 cubic
20.
centimeter.
Abdur Rafi, which formula we will use?
Ma'am, can you tell?
Ma'am, moles equals volume times concentration.
And
Yes.
moles is equal to
Moles is equal to volume
ma'am,
into concentration.
volume is equal to moles
Into
over
Ah,
concentration.
Into concentration.
oh, okay. My mistake. Yeah, because it's the aqueous. HCl is aqueous. Okay, so we'll use this equation. Okay, so finding out the volume. What are the moles of HCl?
0.16.
0.16.
0.16.
Volume multiplied by concentration is
8.
8. What's the answer?
20 cubic centimeter.
Yes, 20 cubic centimeter. Okay. When we multiply it directly, we will get the answer 0.02. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is in decimeter cube. Okay. So when we convert it into centimeter, we will multiply it by 1000. So we'll get the answer in centimeter cube, 20 cubic centimeter. Okay. So be careful about everything and the centimeter decimeter also. Okay. Now the last question is of lead nitrate. When lead nitrate is heated, two gases are given off and solid lead oxide remains. The equation for the reaction is shown. So 2 moles of lead nitrate, they are giving two gases, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, and one solid lead oxide. Calculate the MR of lead nitrate. Very easy question.
Ma'am, 1 molecule of lead nitrate.
Yes, only one molecule. What is the atomic mass of lead? 10 something 100
207.
207. Okay. Okay, 207 is lead, nitrogen is 14 and oxygen is 16.
Ma'am, it is 331.
Let's wait for the others also, other boys. What is the answer you are getting? Molar mass or relative molecular mass? You know, it's the same like different words for the same thing. The relative molecular mass, molecular formula mass, and molar mass. All of these names are for
And
same thing.
331.
Yes, sorry, Rafi.
331.
331. Zen, what are you getting?
Ma'am, I'm still calculating.
Good. And now I'll ask from the other boys also, the boys who are quiet. Say it by yourself, otherwise I will ask.
Ma'am, I'm getting 331.
331.
Okay, Ahmad Alam.
Yes. 207 plus 28 plus 9.
Okay. Ahmed Nawaz, did you calculate? What is the answer you are getting? Josefa?
Yes, ma'am. 331.
331. Okay. Abdul Rahman, you just joined now, right? You joined late.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
no
joined
work.
very early, but because
Hmm.
my internet is not working, it is like the meeting
It got
is getting
disconnected.
disconnected again and again. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, the MR of lead nitrate is 331. Okay. So you will calculate for NO3 and multiply it by 2. Okay, because NO3 is 2 times. So NO3 multiplied by 2 plus 207. It will give you lead nitrate. Okay, it's 331. Now calculate the mass of lead oxide produced. Lead oxide, the mass of lead nitrate is given to you. Okay, 6.62 grams of lead nitrate are heated until there is no further change. Calculate the mass of lead oxide. So lead nitrate is given. Okay, you have to find out the mass of lead nitrate. You have to take the molar ratio.
Ma'am, I have faulty joining.
You have what?
I have done.
You have done. Okay. Do the third part also then. What answer you are getting? Hassan? Hassan? It's Hassan or Hassan?
Hassan.
Okay, first for the lead nitrate. For lead nitrate, if we see for lead nitrate, moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So the moles of lead nitrate, first we will take out the lead nitrate moles, and then we will take the ratio between lead nitrate and lead oxide. Okay, lead nitrate, because lead nitrate mass is given 6.62 divided by 331. What's the answer?
It's
0.02.
Yeah, 0.02. So it means 0.02 are the moles of lead nitrate, and as you can see from the equation, it's the same. Okay, like 2 moles of lead nitrate are giving 2 moles of lead oxide, same.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, so for lead nitrate ratio lead oxide, 2 moles are giving 2, so 0.02 will also give 0.02. So it means for lead oxide also the moles are 0.02. Okay, now you will use the formula moles is equal to mass
Mass
divided
over
by,
molar mass.
yes, mass divided by molar mass. So the moles of lead nitrate, this is we are doing for lead oxide. The moles
Yes.
of lead oxide are 0.02. Okay, mass you have to find out. And what is the molar mass of lead nitrate? Lead oxide?
223.
223.
223.
3.
Yes. Multiply them and what is the mass?
4.46.
4.46.
Awesome. 4.46. Okay, so this question, because it is, see, this question is of 2 marks. Because of this thing, you have to do, first you have to find out the moles of lead nitrate, because the information about lead nitrate is given to you. Okay, first find the moles of lead nitrate, then in part 2 take the ratio of the two things. Okay, and then in third part find out for lead oxide the mass of lead oxide. Okay, so in this simple question, in this one question, you have to follow the footbridge. 1, 2, 3, 3 steps.
Ma'am, I've done the second part as well.
Good. Yeah, and the second part, calculate the volume of oxygen. Okay, the volume of oxygen produced at room temperature and pressure. Now you have to say the volume, oxygen is a gas, so we will use the formula moles is equal to volume divided by molar volume. Okay, So molar volume we know. Do we know the moles?
Yes, we can take the
Yes,
ratio.
Yeah, very good. Okay, to find out the moles of oxygen, boys, moles of oxygen we don't know. Okay, so we can take the molar ratio. Means for a molar ratio, we can take the molar ratio between PbO and O also, and PbNO3 whole twice and O also. So we can take the ratio between any two things. Okay, one thing should be known, its mole should be known, and the other thing unknown. Okay, so in PbNO3, according to the equation, 2 PbNO3 is giving 1
1.
oxygen.
Yes,
Yeah, so 0.02 will give how much?
0.0.
0.01.
Yes, give half of it. Okay,
Yes,
0.01. So oxygen moles are 0.01. So multiply and
it's 0.24.
0.24.
0.24 decimeter cube is the answer. Did all of you get it? Get this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. The boys who are very quiet. Noor Muhammad, what about you?
Yes.
Muhammad Kundi? Okay. Ashar Arsalan. Please, boys, speak up. Tell me if you have understood or if you have not understood.
Yes, ma'am, I've understood.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this was the last question. Okay, I will share these past papers and the answer keys with you on the Teams today. Okay, so that you can practice over the weekend. Okay, boys. And best of
Okay,
luck for
ma'am.
today's paper. Allah
Okay.
Hafiz.
Love is ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Ma'am.